Pinalaga ng mga taga-Batanes ang pahayag ng ilang Chinese scholars na bahagi ng China ang lalawigan. Dahil din sa pahayag na yan, kinwestiyon ng Philippine Coast Guard ang intensyon ng Chinese ambassador nang bisitahin niya ang Batanes nitong Hunyo. Balitang hatid ni Bea Pinlac.
Sa batas ng Pilipinas at sa mata ng daigdig, Batanes ang pinakadulong probinsya sa hilaga ng Pilipinas at hangganan ng ating teritoryo sa norte. Malapit din ito sa Taiwan na may mga tribong nahahawigang kultura sa ating mga katutubong Ivatan. Pero kamakailan, lumabas ang ulat na may mga Chinese scholar na nagsabing natural geographical extension o karugtong ng Taiwan ang Batanes, kaya naman bahagi rin ito ng China. Hindi yan ipinagkibit balikat ng mga taga-Batanes.
Nababahala din ako sa ganitong maling narrative.
Baka naman yun ay magiging basihan ng China na seryosuhin na i-claim ang Batanes na parte ng China through Taiwan.
Hindi titigil ang mga Ivatan na or hindi i-accept yung mga ganitong pronouncement ng basta-basta. Kailangan labanan yung.
Nanindigan din si Batanes Governor June Aguto na hindi na dapat questionin na bahagi ng Pilipinas ang Batanes.
It's an absurd thing to even think about Chinese claiming Batanes as part of Taiwan or even part of China. This is well established by the Philippine archipelago, and by history that Batanes is always and will always be part of the Philippines. We want to make it clear, and we want to tell these scholars that there's no way that we will be part of Taiwan or even China.
Giit ni Aguto.
I'd like to post this to the Chinese government na it's not for them to make a clear statement, because we know for a fact that the Chinese government knows that Batanes is part of the Philippines.
Pinuna rin ng Maritime Monitoring Group na SEALIGHT ang pananahimik ng Chinese Embassy sa issue.
The silence coming from the Chinese Embassy in Manila following this news has been remarkable. They are in a spot where if they affirm the finding, obviously, first of all, that obviously this is extremely unpopular in the Philippines. This puts them in a difficult position.
Sabi ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines, patunay ang datos at kasaysayan na noon pa man, walang dudang ang Batanes ay bahagi ng Pilipinas. Para naman kay Defense Secretary Gibo Chodoro, hindi dapat baliwalain ang pahayag na ito ng mga Chinese scholar.
In a closed society like China, any Chinese subject, any academic who makes a statement in China, it becomes a quasi-state statement. So this is signaling on their part, no? It's good that it's ridiculous, but maybe to their citizens it might not be. We still have to take all these threats seriously.
Noong Hunyo, bumisita sa Batanes ang ambassador ng China. Kabilang sa pinuntahan niya ang farm na dinonate ng Chinese Embassy. Tanong tuloy ni Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea Rear Admiral J. Tariela, mabuti nga ba ang pakay ng pagbisita sa probinsya ng ambasador o paraan ng pag-inspeksyon sa lugar na tingin niya ay balak angkinin ng China?
The reason why the Chinese government is upgrading yung information operation nila, yung FEMA operation nila, it's because obviously they are losing the narrative. Ito ang dahilan kung ba't mas maingay sila ngayon.
There was nothing. There was no talk about the territory belonging to Taiwan, and it was sabi niya was being a new ambassador. He wants to visit all the provinces of the Philippines. So it was just a plain visit, nothing to do with this territorial issue.
Wala pang pahayag ang embahada ng China hinggil sa issue. Bea Pinlac, nagbabalita para sa GMA News.